Kung meron siyang flat tire.
Prosecutor, Pascal.
Wait, wait.
Kala ko against ka dapat sa defendant.
Silence in the room. Okay, in this case, we will discuss the case of Mr. Carlos is accusing of playing too much game, lacking tropa time. Okay, present your case, Miss Vicious Pen.
I believe that anong tawag sa sa suspect?
Defendant.
I believe that the defendant has an empty wine bottle. So instead of partying, he is drowning in sorrow. So he kept on playing other games instead of tropa time. That's it, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor,
present
objection, Your Honor.
defense.
Your Honor, the defendant is not, I did not intend to, ang tawag doon, to disregard his own friends. However, the real fact, Your Honor, is that the defendant was stuck in an elevator and could not move.
Okay.
Okay.
Your Honor.
What is your defense here, Prosecutor Vicious Pen?
Huwag ka magkaalala,
You
Jared. Kaya natin
you
to.
said that the defendant is stuck in an elevator, right?
Yes.
But
Boo!
based on the evidence,
Boo!
it is said that the
Boo!
defendant has
Shut
a
up.
memory of a chef
I.
or a
Sorry.
fire.
No,
So
not
how
yun,
can
yeah.
we be so sure that he is really stuck in an elevator?
Not yun.
Ano yung sa kanya?
That's
Memory of
it,
a
Your
chef?
Honor.
Alright, can you repeat that again, Mrs. Vicious Pen?
Yes, can you...
Ano
Yes.
misis?
Mrs. Vicious Pen.
Attorney Kitsuneko said that the defendant is stuck in an elevator. But it is
Yes.
also said that the defendant has a memory of a chef or a fire. So how can we be so sure that the defendant is really stuck in an elevator and is lacking
Your Honor,
proper time?
may we ask the prosecution to explain what she said? What does she mean by chef?
Kasi sabi mo, kasi sabi mo, yung
Oh, ano?
defendant is stuck sa elevator. Pero meron
Yes,
tayong
that is
evidence card na nagsasabi na meron siyang memory of a chef. Ano mo masasabi?
What does
Stuck siya sa elevator. Kung
What
ang
does
memory niya ay
having a
tungkol sa
memory-
pagluluto.
Your Honor? I have another evidence, Your Honor. Not only was the defendant was actually stuck in a elevator, but he was also stuck in the loo. Tumatae po siya, Your Honor, at ayaw lumabas ng tae niya. Thank you.
What now?
Ito po talaga niya sa mga kaibigan niya, Your Honor. Kaso, tumatae siya.
Okay. How about you, Prosecutor? What is your say?
Ito yung evidence, Your Honor. Ano mo masasabing stuck siya at tumatay kung meron siyang flat tire?
Yes, Your Honor, Your Honor.
Paano siya
Your Honor.
makakahanap ng banyo kung meron siyang flat
Your Honor.
tire? So nandyan
Your
lang
Honor,
siya
the objection, Your Honor. The prosecution basically sabotaged herself. He's saying that the defendant has a flat tire, meaning he
Hindi ka
cannot
mataba.
go. Meaning that the defendant cannot
okay.
go to tropa time.
It
Because
is a very invalid evidence.
Bakit invalidated?
Ay, validate. Paano ba yun? Validate?
Invalidating evidence too.
Invalidate siya pala.
So what is
Ano na, Your Honor?
should we call our witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige, Your Honor.
I call Mr. Ashen to the stand.
Alright. Mr. Ashen, the movie producer, what is your say here? In this case?
Pero
Explain
pwede
mo lang mo rin
mag-defend
kung
siya.
yaring katantang.
Your Honor,
Yes.
Your Honor, I am a movie producer. Oh my
Wait.
God,
Mr.
Yung
Ashen.
oath muna.
Mr.
Gargar yung
Ashen,
oath.
do you swear
Ay,
that
yung,
you will
nga pala,
tell
wait.
nothing
Shut up.
Your Honor.
Okay.
I swear-
Ano kasi yung oath?
I swear.
Ki-
Do you swear?
I
Do you
swear
swear?
to tell the truth and nothing but the truth.
Do you
Ako na
swear
po,
the
ako na
truth but
mag-deliver
nothing
oath.
but the
Honor.
truth?
Oath
No,
me.
shut up. This is my
You swear
case.
the truth
Hey!
and nothing but the truth.
Mr. Ashen,
Honor.
kindly repeat after me. I.
Yes, Your Honor. Wait, but why am I?
I-
You're an attorney. You're the defendant.
Abre
Your
me.
Honor,
Okay. Okay, repeat after me,
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Ashen.
ang dami pong position ni
I
Atty.
state your
Yes,
Kitsuneko.
Your Honor.
Ay,
ano po si-
paano kasi? Ano?
State your name.
I state your name.
State your name.
State your name.
I am repeating after you, Your Honor.
Okay. I, Mr. Ashen.
I, Mr. Ashen.
You're not Mr. Ashen, you're Judge Janoshin.
Do swear.
We have freedom of speech.
Shut up. Shut up. Okay. I, Mr. Ashen,
I, Mr. Ashen.
will tell the truth,
Will tell the truth,
but nothing but the truth.
And
but nothing but the truth.
And, but nothing but
Okay
the
na
truth.
yan,
I
okay
see.
na yan, okay na yan. Anyway,
But nothing but the truth.
okay.
Okay.
Prosecutor and defense,
Yes,
do
Your Honor.
the things that you need to do.
kailangan ba sa evidence?
No, you can just ask him.
Okay.
Saan yung part na magsasalita yung
Make a narrative. Make a narrative.
Oh,
Oh yeah, make a narrative.
Mr.
Sorry.
Witness. Mr.
Make a
Witness.
narrative first. Sorry.
nasaan
Amo.
ka? Ha?
Make a
Ako,
narrative
nasaan
first.
ka?
Jared, puta ka
Shut up.
mami ang question.
Shut up.
Oh, prosecutor.
Your Honor, I am a movie producer.
Your Honor, ba't ayaw pang manahimik ng isa?
As such, Your Honor, can we keep that in from Discord? Can we remove him from Discord?
Sure, why not? Hindi, ano
Your
siya?
Honor,
VIP siya. We cannot do that.
I
Yes.
am a movie
Independent eh.
producer. Putang ina naman.
Man, shut up. Shut your bitches up.
Hindi pa sensor.
Wala akong sasabi yan.
Silence in the room. Order of the court.
Or ano ang
Gago.
Sundaro.
Hindi na nga ako nagsasalita.
Shut up.
Gusto ko po ng 2-piece chicken.
Go ahead, Mr. Ashen. Yun na yung narrative mo?
Oh my God. Your Honor, Your Honor, Your Honor.
Yes.
I am a movie producer, and as such, I require for there to be props in my set.
Ano?
So,
May what?
So what?
so yung flat tire na yun was used as a prop for my movie,
Oh my god. And then,
Hey, plot twist.
and which means the defender, Mr. Carlos, had a perfectly good working tire and could have used the car.
Kala ko
for
against ka
tropa time.
dapat sa defendant.
Tangina mo.
Hindi, kasi pambobo.
Nasa side mo na.
Bobo kasi yung sinabi mo sa akin. Sinabi mo yung defendant.
okay. That's it. Time to question.
Questions.
Questions?
Okay.
Sino mauuna gan?
Mr. Witness, if the flat tire is used as a prop, bakit nasa kotse siya? Bakit nakakapit pa rin siya sa kotse? Anong movie ang pinoproduce mo para kailanganin mo ang flat tire?
Your Honor, I am not required to divulge this information to this woman.
Witness, I am the prosecutor.
Request.
Sure.
Your Honor, I object.
Wala pa nga eh. Wala pa nga
Your
sinasabi.
Honor, I
Where is
object,
bro
Your Honor.
objecting?
I am objecting to her question. Your
Shut
Honor.
up.
Paano
Invalidated.
sinabi Aki? Ba't mo sabihin?
So again, Mr. Witness, can you answer my question?
Ay, ulit.
Anong movie ang pinoproduce mo para kailanganin mo yung flat tire ni defendant?
I am, Your Honor, am I required to answer this question?
You can, but again, if you're uncomfortable,
I am uncomfortable. I am
Then I will
declaring
answer.
my right to remain silent.
then you have the right to remain silent. Mrs. Vicious Pen, that question is that question is not validated.
Okay. Am I
Your
supposed to
Honor,
ask
I object.
another question?
Your Honor, I
Wait,
object.
Kitsuneko is
Okay.
objecting.
Wait.
Your Honor, we have
Objection,
found,
Your Honor.
Your Honor,
Objection, Your Honor.
we have found a love letter from the prosecutor to my defendant, and it was filled with tears.
Oh
Wait,
my.
prosecutor. Anya, may love letter siya.
Your
That means wala siya sa time
Your Honor, the prosecutor is
Oh, siya ba
That's
tayo
interesting.
Yes.
not my defendant, not my client, Your Honor, it's the prosecutor.
Anya.
Bibigyan siya.
What?
Your Honor,
Kasi may kanadiyan
Your
siya.
Honor,
Yes.
the prosecutor has come into this world
Has come to this world for what?
Yes, for breaking my client's heart.
No.
Ba si Jesus Christ?
Go ahead,
No,
Miss
sumagot.
Prosecutor.
So, Attorney Kitsunek, are you saying
Yes.
that the defendant and I have has a relationship?
Precisely, Your
Oh,
Honor.
Okay.
And he broke my defendant.
Oh.
No,
heart.
Oh.
it's not a
Oh.
relationship.
Whoa.
We used to be
Chill.
friends. We used to make
Used to be, okay.
Okay.
we used to be friends, and we used to make friendship bracelet with noodles. No, I did not
Whoa.
send him a love letter. That
Your
evidence
Honor, I
is
object.
fake, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I
What is
object.
this? What is it, Kitsuneko?
Your Honor, that
Ganyan
wasn't
drama.
a friendship bracelet, Your Honor. It was an electronic bracelet made to torture my...
It's like the
the
electronic
prosecutor is a scum to this world, Your Honor.
Okay, can I answer now, Your Honor?
Sure.
No, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Attorney Kitsuneko ay naging Tagalog. Si Attorney po ay nawawala na sa topic natin. Ang topic po natin
No,
ay
it is
masyadong
not, Your
naglalaro si Mr. Carlos at nawawala na tayo ng tropa time.
It is
Bakit
indeed
po biglang
what I
napunta sa relasyon
It
na
is
to?
Your Honor,
indeed
allow me to
ano.
explain.
It is indeed
Yes.
personal
Not the topic.
invasion personal private
Personal invasion.
personal private life
Your Honor.
invasion, brother.
Your Honor, allow me to explain.
Brother.
Yes.
The reason why I said that was because she broke the heart of my defendant. That's the reason why my defendant cannot go for a tropa time. She's a scum, Your Honor. She's
So,
probably not
ina-admit
even a real
mo.
prosecutor, Your
So,
Honor.
ina-admit mo na
Yes,
wala
I am
siyang
admitting.
tropa time.
Yes,
Eh,
Your
yun nga
Honor,
yung
and I
accuse sa
also
kanya.
Your Honor.
excuse
Your
me, Your
Honor.
Honor.
Yes, yes.
So, against
Your
the
Honor.
defendant po.
Hey, wait, shut up. The witness is speaking. Shut up. Cut.
Ako yung pangalong prosecutor.
In-admit
Your
niya.
Honor. Are we gonna let that go? Yung nagkaka-admit lang yan. Natama yung nakakis sa
Your
kanya.
Honor,
Hindi niya
I'll be to
Are
pinagtanggol.
we letting that go?
Yung
Your
mismit ka
Honor,
ikaw.
Siya
Dahil
pa
hindi defendant tayo ay kanya ni.
Magkano yung ano mo? Magkano ki? Magkano ki?
Bribery.
$50,
I accuse of bribery.
Ah,
Your Honor. $50, Your Honor.
ikaw.
$100 on the table.
Okay.
Your Honor, 150,
This
150,
is-
150, Your Honor,
100 going
150, 150, 150,
Never going
150.
twice.
200.
Sabi ba yaki? Wait,
300,
sabi
Your
yaki?
Honor, 300.
No.
300, Your Honor, 300. 500, yes.
Okay, okay,
I want to
Your
go once.
Honor,
I want to go
that's a
twice.
clear evidence of bribery. Magpapagulo ka ba, Your
It's
Honor,
also-
for bribery?
Sold for 500.
Your Honor.
Aki.
Your Honor, imagine this
Why can I not kill
$500.
Aki? What the heck?
We are in the court. Respect the court.
Yeah.
Don't
Yeah. Mr. Carlos
Kanina
is
kayo
Okay,
pinakain
run.
Discord.